to improve so that at least we have some kind of balance.
Nago tigarabo igasamangana rengeta matemo ya KCSE skuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho eyo gotoka meye county ya Kisii nigo yaroka na okoliye biyakigimasa matemo yo mwako yo ase yabwe gostiga maiga chiskuru bune skuru ya Kisii boyza ase yakoli biyasiri tukulia lero ase skuru yo ya Cardinal Otunga niga borokyo baisaransara matemo barenga borokyo wachimisa tamone merongeteto abwase bonsi banyali bagali yabene go chikoso university kolenga numwalimu omonene bwe skuru eyo niga bereka gote buna nigo bali kense emini ya 10.76 ekerekeribuna nigo basaselia asorogongo ruwa Gusii nigo chinga kichu mwalimu omonate birebuna amoroki wabo mweli yokurase skuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho niganyora B- ekora ngone myaka ya maiga ase skuru ibono yakora byakima asamatemo KCSE omwako yiga ase ali abakakorwa omwaka bw'ekiri bubere na 2022
We are very happy today. Our school performed very well. We had a mean of 10.76 with the 28 A plane, 201 A minus, 97 B plus, 3 B minus, B plane, and 1 B minus. I want to say that teachers were committed. They sacrificed a lot for these results. Also, we got support from our parents. Parents paid school fees on time, and also supported our academic programs that gave us these results. I also wanted to appreciate our board of management. They also supported our programs. We had 330 candidates, and I'm happy that all of them qualified for university entry.